Jump squats. Burn fat and build glutes fast. Engage quads, hamstrings, and glutes in every rep. Boost your heart rate for cardio plus strength combo. No equipment needed, just explosive power. Builds lower body strength and endurance. 2. Push up to shoulder tap. Core plus upper body burner. Works chest, arms, and stabilizes core. Adds coordination through shoulder taps. Keeps intensity high without added weight. Great for toning arms and tightening abs. 3. Mountain climbers. Your fat-blasting cardio move targets abs while boosting heart rate, improves agility and lower body coordination. Builds endurance fast. Requires minimal space and zero gear. 4. Plank jack. Core and cardio in one. Tones abs while raising your pulse. Strengthens shoulders, legs, and glutes. Excellent for full body control. No jumping required if modified. 5. Reverse lunges. Safer than forward lunges. Builds balance and control. Strengthens glutes and hamstrings. Protects knees better than forward lunges. Great way to isolate each leg. 6. Burpees. The ultimate 1-minute fat melter. Full body strength and cardio in one. Builds explosive power and mental toughness. Torch calories quickly. Modify by removing the jump for low impact. 7. Wall sit. The static burn that works wonders. Engages your quads and calves. Deeply builds endurance without movement. Excellent for posture and joint health. Just need a wall. No excuses. 8. Triceps dips on chair. No gym, no problem. Tones and sculpts the back of your arms. Use a sturdy chair or low table. Slow, controlled movements yield better results. Prevents fat wings by tightening triceps. 9. High knees. For fast fat loss. Engages core, legs, and boosts cardio. Great for burning calories and toning thighs. Helps improve balance and agility. Go fast for more burn, or slow for low impact. 10. Bicycle crunches. By belly fat. One of the most effective club moves. Works upper abs, lower abs, and obliques. Controlled motion. Burns more. Don't rush. Quality reps over speed. 11. Superman holds. Strengthen your spine. Activates lower back and glutes. Improves posture and back strength. Great counterbalance to heavy workouts. Hold for 30 seconds. Rest. Repeat. 12. Plank hold. End with core stability. Full body engagement in one static hold. Improves endurance and balance. Focus on breathing. And 4. Increases core strength over time. Side plank. Sculpt obliques and strengthen spine. Strengthen side core muscles. Improves shoulder stability. Enhances balance and coordination. Great for spinal alignment. Skaters. Lateral burn for toned legs. Boosts heart rate with side-to-side motion. Targets outer thighs and glutes. Improves lateral agility. Inchworms. Full body warm-up and core stretch. Activates shoulders and hamstrings. Builds flexibility and mobility. Strengthens arms, chest, and core. Excellent pre-workout dynamic move. Jumping jacks. Classic cardio warm-up. Gets the blood flowing instantly. Easy to perform anywhere. Increases overall endurance. Chair squats. Low impact with high return. Perfect for beginners or recovering joints. Engages quads and glutes. Builds functional strength. Helps improve posture and stability. Toe taps. Quick and effective for low abs. Elevates your heart rate. Great for core coordination. Engages your lower abs. Adds variety to floor workouts. Donkey kicks. Glute isolation without equipment. Builds strong, round glutes. Strengthens hip mobility. No impact on knees or joints. And ankle weights for a challenge. Wall push-ups. Upper body for beginners. Builds chest and triceps strength. Easier on wrists and shoulders. Perfect for new starters. Focuses on proper form. Frog jumps. Intense lower body blaster. Explosive movement for muscle power. Engages glutes and quads. Deeply builds speed and coordination. Short but intense calorie burn. Russian twists. Twist off that waistline. Targets obliques and entire core. Improves balance and control. Can be done with or without weights. Keep feet lifted for added challenge. Step ups. Functional and practical strength. Mimics everyday movement. Tones legs and glutes. Use stairs or a sturdy bench. Great for cardio and strength combo. Leg raises. Flattened at lower belly. Engages deep core muscles. Strengthens low abs. Control is key to effectiveness. Use a mat for comfort. Butt kicks. Simple move with big results. Cardio focus and beginner friendly. Engages hamstrings. Warms up legs quickly. Use high reps for endurance. Hip bridges. Glutes and hamstrings. Game changer. Targets the backside. Effectively strengthens lower back. Easy to perform lying down. Great for all fitness levels. Punches in squat hold. Core meets cardio. Keep core tight while punching. Engages upper and lower body. Builds endurance and focus. Low impact option with high burn heel touches. Simple core move for obliques. Lying down and twisting side to side. Engages waistline muscles. Keep movement tight and controlled, good for defining the sides of ABS spare crawl. Total body conditioning work shoulders, arms, and legs, improves core strength, requires coordination and stability. Crawl forward and back for intensity. Towel rows, upper back with just a towel, great resistance training at home, prevents posture slouch, ideal for small spaces. Shadow boxing, release stress and burn fat, boosts cardio and mental focus, tones arms and core, increases coordination, great for warm-ups and finishers. Standing knee crunch, easy core movement, bring knees to elbows while standing, engages full core while upright, low impact but highly effective. Star jumps, high impact power move, explosive jump, targets full body, builds athletic power, great for calorie torching. Wrist push-ups, strengthen wrist and forearms, builds wrist and grip strength, a must for people doing regular push-ups, improve joint mobility, go slow to prevent strain. Glute march, low impact, big glute engagement, lie on your back and lift one leg at a time, builds core and glute coordination. Wall angels, posture fix you didn't know you needed, stand against wall and move arms like snow angels, opens chest and aligns spine, strengthens back and shoulders. Relief for desk workers, ankle taps, simple, safe and effective off work lying position with side taps, engages obliques gently, no neck strain, beginner friendly. Of move, lateral shuffles, build agility and speed, side to side fast motion, boosts coordination and heart rate, builds strong glutes and thighs, excellent for short intervals. Seated leg lifts, for core and quad, sit and lift legs in front of you, engages core without lying down, strengthens hip flexors, can be done on a chair or mat. Wide arm push-ups, build chest definition, targets chest more than traditional push-up, work shoulders to increases upper body strength. Great way to progress push-up skills, plank to downward dog, combo, strength and stretch, works arms and core, increases flexibility in hamstrings, helps improve posture, smooth transition move. Jump rope, invisible rope, high intensity cardio, mimic jump rope motion, no equipment needed, great calorie burn in short time, builds rhythm and foot speed. Hand release push-ups, full range chest strength, hands leave ground at bottom, forces full extension and contraction, builds explosive strength, slower, more powerful reps. Crab walk, surprisingly effective lower body burn, builds shoulder and glute strength, engages core for stability, good for flexibility to quad pulses, isolate and burn thigh muscles. Stay in squat and pulse, activates deep muscle fibers, adds burn without jumping, can be used to finish leg set, high knees, maximum burn in minimum time, elevates heart rate, quickly torches belly fat through cardio, engages core and hip flexors, great for improving running form, reverse crunches, target that lower belly pouch, reduces momentum use, increasing control, less strain on neck and shoulders, compact movement for small spaces, wall sit, burn your quads in 60 seconds, builds mental toughness, targets thighs and calves, activates core through balance, challenge yourself with added weights, heel drops, core strength without strain, great for lower abdominal isolation, works with controlled breathing, reduces back pressure, builds pelvic stability. Triceps dips using a chair, Sculpt arm flat, effective body weight arm toner, requires just a sturdy chair or bench, strengthens shoulders and chest, easy to modify for all levels. Squat pulses, leg shredder without weights, keeps tension on quads, increases time under tension, perfect burnout move, easy to combine with regular squats. Flutter kicks, core and cardio combo, burns calories fast, tightens low, ABS strengthens hip flexors, great for building endurance, standing oblique crunch. Quick waistline trim, targets side, ABS. Helps with balance and core control, can be done anywhere at dumbbells for resistance. Thanks, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.